Hello and what's up everyone, my name is Salman Sayyed and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very special for me as well as for Beth because we are at the Zions National Park. Zion National Park is one of the mighty 5 national parks in Utah and known to be the oldest and the busiest national park of the state. It's a national park known for many adventurous activities and some breathtaking hikings. So there are a lot of hikes in Zion National Park, but the one which we are doing is this one right behind me. This place is called Angel's Landing. Angel's Landing is the most dangerous, narrowest and the scariest hike in Zion National Park. But on the other hand, it is also one of the most visited and one of the famous hikes here. It is called Angel's Landing because back in time, it was believed that only angels can land on top of that peak. So this hike is about around 4 miles, which takes 4 to 5 hours as a round trip. You go up and come back. Very steep, but it's worth doing. It takes about 3 to 6 hours to complete the Angel's Landing, depending on your speed and energy, and the highest elevation you gain is around 1600 feet. So to go there, you first need to come to the visitor centers at Zion National Park. You can bring your car to the visitor center, but we took this free shuttle bus. To go to any place, hike or trail at this national park, you have to take this shuttle bus. They don't allow any private car inside the national park to minimize the pollution and to protect the wildlife here. And then you go to the other side of the visitor center and take another shuttle bus to Angel's Landing hike. Angel's Landing is located at stop number 6, so you get off here and right after this Virgin River Bridge, your hike starts.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Very good. How are you?
How's the
Good. It's smoky
Yeah.
because of the fires.
Yeah.
About 5-7 minutes from here.
Oh, pretty
Yeah,
close.
You're almost there.
5 to 7 minutes.
For the
That's
base, and then the main thing.
Then
The
Yeah,
rocks.
I've been.
That's 5-10 minutes, yeah.
But so there's
Did you,
little smoke.
did you go to the end?
Some
But
other
some
day,
people went, they said that because of the smoke and stuff, they can, there's no view.
Oh,
Too bad.
Yeah.
even go out, point in his
it's not.
investment.
I don't know what the smoke is from.
But they are saying there's no fire, so I don't know.
I like the song.
Oh, you like the song? All right.
Yeah, have a good one.
The hike begins with simple and flat walk, and after a while you'll pick up some elevation. Most of the trail is paved and you won't get any tired till here. And then comes the second hardest part of the hike. The zigzag, which looks simple, but honestly it is not. It is tiring and will take more than 5 to 7 minutes, unlike the sir said earlier. After zigzag walk comes the base point, or you can call it a break point. It is called Walter's Wiggle, named after the first superintendent of Zion National Park.
This is where we are going. It's right here.
Reaching here means you have almost completed 2 miles, and the last part is this. You can see it is not paved or straight. It is steeper than what we have hiked so far, and these chains were installed to give you support to balance yourself. This part of the hike would take the highest amount of your energy, so be prepared for this and bring lots of water to keep yourself hydrated.
Not as steep and a little wetter.
The good thing is it's cool. It's not like way like hot or something. Yeah.
Is there Starbucks up there?
This hike is always suggested to be done in the morning. Later in the afternoon it gets crowded and hot, and the last thing you want to do is get stuck up there with hundreds of people. After completing this narrow chain trail, you reach the top and you will be rewarded with this heavenly view of the Zion Canyon. And this is the walkway. We'll walk from here till the end of the cliff. No, we're not going ahead of that. We just come back and you use the same route to go down. You can spend as much time as you want, but it is suggested to get down before it gets dark. I have done a lot of hikings in my life, went to different places. Recently we went to Snowbird, Utah, and then Capitol Reef National Park, but honestly this is my favorite. Angel's Landing at Zion National Park is my favorite because this is so cool. The view you guys just saw, and yeah, and the way to come here. It's so hard, but it's so much fun to come and enjoy the view, spend some time, take beautiful pictures. I love this spot. So far this is my favorite hike. Tell me what's your favorite hike. You can write in the comments and we'll see. And I might also visit those places as well. So yeah. Coming up was hard, no doubt. But going down seems harder because now you can see how deep it is. That's why I suggest if you have any problem with height or any kind of phobia, then this is not recommended to you. Because maybe while hiking up you would avoid seeing down, but while coming down there is no option that you can see the depth. And as it is pretty narrow, it can be a problem for you. But if you have no issue with height, or if you are an adventurous personality who loves challenges, then this is something you must do in your life at least once. That's it for the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up. If you have any comments, any suggestion, anything you want to say, you want to write, please write in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so that you'll get the notification of all my upcoming videos. I'll see you very soon with another exciting video. Till that time, do whatever you want to do, my lovely people. But don't forget to stay happy. Ciao. Bye. You're so tired. Okay, bye.